Hey everyone, is Cisco Security still a top player in enterprise protection or is it falling behind? Let's break it down. Cisco's been a big name in cybersecurity for years. Their tools like Secure Firewall, Umbrella, and AnyConnect VPN are built to keep networks, endpoints, and cloud systems safe. They focus on zero trust security, which means verifying every user and device before granting access. Pretty solid, right? But how does Cisco stack up against Fortinet and Palo Alto? Cisco's firewall are reliable and scale well for big companies. Users love the support and integration with other Cisco tools. Fortinet, though, often wins on price and speed, with some saying their firewalls handle more traffic for less cost. Palo Alto gets praise for its sleek interface and next-gen features, like advanced AI threat detection. Recent reviews give Cisco high marks, around 4.7 out of 5 for secure endpoint and 8 out of 10 for iOS security. Customers say it's stable and great for complex networks, but some complain about high costs and tricky setup that needs certified pros. Competitors like Fortinet are often called easier to use. Cisco's own research says only 4% of companies are fully ready for today's threats, and AI is making things tougher. Cisco's pushing AI-powered tools to keep up, but some say they're still playing catch-up to newer players like Darktrace, who lean hard into AI. So is Cisco outdated? Not quite. It's still a powerhouse for big enterprises with deep pockets, but competitors are closing the gap with simpler, cheaper options. If you need reliability and integration, Cisco is a safe bet. Want something more modern or budget-friendly? You might look elsewhere. What do you think? Drop your thoughts below. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more videos.